does this latest development kind of just add another layer to the increased tensions that we've seen?
Yeah, there are so many layers to touch on this morning. What a day. And on June 4th, by the way, of course, the 31st anniversary of the Tiananmen Square incident in Beijing. That's another issue. But first on the airlines, Donald Trump has issued an order suspending passenger flights to the United States by mainland Chinese carriers, in particular Air China, China Southern, China Eastern, Xiamen Airlines. That's in retaliation for Beijing barring American carriers from re-entering China following, of course, the coronavirus pandemic. Now, it goes into effect June 16th, but the Department of Transportation in the United States says Trump could act sooner than that. Beijing has prevented U.S. carriers from restarting service, but for mainland carriers, they've kept up their flights, at least on a limited basis, to the United States. Now, the order stops short of an outright ban, and it allows Chinese carriers to operate one flight to the U.S. for each flight that China grants to U.S. carriers. And again, keep in mind, Donald Trump has had those harsh words on revoking its privileged treatment of Hong Kong. No word on whether Cathay would eventually be affected. Cathay Pacific, of course, is the Hong Kong main airline.